In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms questions in just 5 minutes. This is a really useful skill, whether you're a teacher looking to make quizzes for your students, or just someone who wants to gather information efficiently. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already familiar with Google Drive, it's a fantastic cloud storage service from Google where you can create, store, and share files easily. Once you're there, look for the New button on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. This will bring up a menu with a variety of options of things you can create. Scroll down through this menu until you find Google Forms. Click on that option. You'll be presented with a couple of choices, but for the purpose of creating questions, we're going to select Blank Quiz. This template is a great starting point because it's specifically designed for quizzes and assessments, saving you some setup time. After opening the blank quiz, the next thing you'll want to do is give your form a title. Click on the top where it says Untitled Form and enter the name of your quiz. This is helpful for organising your forms later and giving anyone who accesses it a clear understanding of what the quiz is about. Next, move over to the settings by clicking on the settings icon, which you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Within these settings, you'll see an option to toggle Make this a quiz. This setting enables automatic grading, which is fantastic for saving you time. With the quiz setting enabled, head back to the Questions tab, click on it and you'll be ready to start formulating your questions. To add a question, click on the floating plus sign labelled Add Question. Google Forms gives you the flexibility to choose how respondents will answer. You can decide on multiple choice, checkboxes, short answers, or even paragraph responses depending on what suits your quiz best. Once you've added your questions and crafted the answer choices, make sure to fill out both the questions and answers fields. Then click on Answer Key. Here you can specify the correct answers and assign the point value each question carries, which is key for making your quiz effective in terms of grading. Don't forget to customize your quiz to give it some flair, add a header image or change the theme colors by clicking on the design palette icon. Finally, when you're satisfied with your quiz, click on the Send button to publish and share it with your audience. You can share it via email, a direct link, or even embed it on a website. And there you have it, you've created a Google Form quiz from start to finish. Thanks for watching and happy form making.